Hi class, some of us were a bit rusty doing the Excel practice, so here's some feedback for you. Watch what I do and then please go back to Tuesday's work, the Excel practice with functions, formulas, and so forth, and make the changes you need to, update it, and then I will go through and check your stuff. Here we go. Step 1, A2 to K2, merge and center, so select them, go to the Home tab, merge and center. It says to bold, Control B, change the font to size 18, and change the color to blue. Let's go with this one. There you go. Alright, width of column A to 20, I could do it manually, or I could right click, column width, type in 20, and hit enter. There we go. And left align, that's up here. Left align. Alright. Bold rows 4. Let's click on the number to get the entire row. Control B. Row 23. Control B. 26 and 41. Bolded. Underline rows 4 and 26. Alright. 4. Control U. And 26. Control U. There you go. Center line. Columns B through K. Let's click up here on the letters. And all the way over. B through K. Center line. Just like that. Enter the formula for batting average. This is not, you're not going to use average, this one. And you got to read the instructions. Do not use the average. It says, instead it tells you what to do. Put in a formula equals that divides the number of hits a player had, 156, by the number of at-bats. Remember, don't use the numbers, use the cell references. So this is E6, so I'd say E6 divided by D6. Enter. Now, I could go through and do that for each one, or I could just use a fill handle and copy them all, and it picks them all up. There you go. It says to format them as showing 3 decimal places. Let's go to Home, and right up here. Oh, oops, that's giving more decimal places. Let's do fewer. So here's 5, 4, 3 decimal places. There we go. Now, come down to the ERA, and we're going to do the same thing. Put in a formula, equals, and I can type in F28, or I can just click F28 divided by E28, the number of runs divided by the number of innings, and then the instructions say times 9. And there's my formula. Let's copy that down to all the others. And then it says to shrink that to just 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places. Alrighty. And number 11, use the sum to compute the totals. Well, I'm not going to do the totals for these letters. We can't add up letters, but down here, the number of games, we can add that up. Let's click there. Now we'll go to formulas, and let's see, in auto sum, we got sum. It says, do you want C6 through C22? Yes, we do. Hit enter. And I can do that for each one. I can also select all the ones I want to add up, and then just click on the sum, and it'll pop it right in for me. Let's fill handle to do all those at once. And then it says we want the totals down in this section too, so same thing. So sum, B28 through B40, let's check. Yep, that's correct. And fill handle all the way across. Very good. Now, I've got to, let's see, step 12. I've got to compute the totals of the batting average and the earned run average. Okay, so F23. So let's delete what we had there. And then I need the team total hits divided by the team total at bats. Oh, okay. So let's see, equal sign, hits divided by at bats. Enter, got it. Oh, and format, same as the others, to 3 decimal places. Okay, earned run average. Let's see what the instructions say there. First, let's get rid of this one. And equal sign. Oh, the team number of runs allowed divided by the team number of innings played. And then times 9. Enter, and we got it. And just like the others, let's format that to 2 decimal places. All right. Change the page layout to landscape. Let's go up here. Page layout, orientation, landscape. And we're done. That's how it'll look, class. There you go.